There you
Go,
go.
Jack Jack.
He's walking. Whoa!
No, leave it on.
Oh my God.
You don't want it? You don't want it?
You're not going to be Santa like that?
Can we take a
Too
picture
big.
of it?
It's too big, huh? It's too big. Can Grandpa take a picture? Let's wait till Grandpa comes here with the...
It's too big.
Lukey, Lukey, you're gonna be
too,
Santa Claus. Put your hat on.
It's probably
Put your hat on.
It's too big, he says. It's too big. It's too big.
So what?
But that's what makes it awesome, dude.
So this is for Jack? Okay, let's see what Jack got.
What'd you get, Jack?
Is that the whiskey you got?
Cool,
Is
the
that the
first
scotch you got?
adventures
Yeah.
of Incredible You. It's a book. Let's see what this
Oh,
is.
it's Oscar. Nice. From the Isle of Skye. Very nice.
Oh, he's smiling.
It's made for Jack Hamilton Lawson, who arrived on September 1st,
Whoa.
2010. We love you, Uncle Andrew,
Lucas,
Anne Lauren, and
you will-
Cousin Lucas.
Come here. Ta-da.
Yeah.
Wow. Lucas, do not bend the pages.
Oh, look how beautiful it is, and it
Oban.
has Jack's
I know
name.
Abolan and Lagavulin are both.
Yeah.
I drink those regularly.
When people are. Oh my